Welcome to the activity page. Also known as your main dashboard, this is the first screen you'll see each time you log in. The activity page has everything you need to manage your yearbook project and access key software features. Use the links at the top to jump directly into your specific task or the navigation bar on the left to move between pages. Progress meters show you the current status of your pages and your cover from the yearbook ladder, helping you keep your book on track to completion. And to the right, the yearbook info box highlights important details like due dates, time remaining, book specifications, and order quantities. Below and to the left, the coverage report shows candid and portrait use per student using our safe face matching technology. You can sort to see who appears most or least in the book, then make adjustments. You can also view orders by student, track protected students, and update name data. The calendar is a great way to keep your yearbook project and all of its associated tasks on track, and a lot more. It contains your due date and other key deadlines, and you can easily add your own custom events. Be sure to check the message box at the bottom right of the page for important updates, reminders, and announcements. Advisors can click the pencil edit button to post a new message at any time. The activity log at the bottom left tracks and displays all changes on the yearbook ladder. Next to it, the support section provides direct contact information, along with access to our extensive knowledge base, full of helpful articles and resources. With everything in one place, the activity page keeps your team organized and informed while you work on your amazing yearbook.